Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Beck. Welcome to IELTS Energy. Today you are going to get 2 tips for controlling your time on the reading exam. Guys, I do also recommend watching another video on this channel called IELTS Reading Tips Increase Your Score, so definitely check that out as well. So today, these strategies, guys, these are strategies that have helped so many students get 9s on the reading exam. That's right. 3 Keys IELTS students get 9s on their reading exam. So great advice today, you guys. All right, let's focus on time. So first, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time reading every word. You can't. You don't have to. In fact, you don't even have to understand in general what the passage is about. Okay? You only need to have the skills of skimming and scanning to get the answers. You don't need to really understand the passage to get the answers. You don't. You just need strategies. Okay, also, don't waste your time on words you don't understand. You don't have to understand every word. Just skip over those words you don't understand. They're not going to help you, all right? And you know what? IELTS does not hide answers in super high-level words. They just don't, okay? So don't waste your time with unfamiliar vocabulary. Now, the second way to control your time is to not spend more than 1 minute on any question. If you have been searching for more than a minute and you can't find the answer, just write something, write anything, best guess, and then put a little check next to it and come back later, okay? Because if you have the 3 Keys reading strategies, you will have extra time to come back and check. Just like our student Tanya, who went from a 6.5 to an 8 in reading from using 3 Keys strategies. So the tips today for controlling your time are great, but you still need the complete system. So guys, check out our 3 Keys IELTS course. Go to allearsenglish.com/KEYS. And announcement. Guys, we're having a web class. Lindsay and I are doing a web class about do's and don'ts for writing task 2. Great advice in here. Sign up now. Go to allearsenglish.com/advice. All right, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next IELTS lesson. Bye, guys.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring exclusive bonus video lessons with Jessica, Lindsay, and Michelle. Get the app now at allearsenglish.com/app.